Imagine an AI system in the healthcare, it misdiagnosing patients because of LLM model corruption. So here MCP protocol will play a crucial role. Hi, this is Murli Dhulam, founder of ITS Code Private Limited, architect, trainer in the area of devsecops, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, Kubernetes, along with AML IoT integration. Till now, I have trained more than 5,000 plus students and 1,000 plus students work with top MNCs. Today, we are going to discuss about what is MCP, Model Context Protocol, how it will help to set up best practices in the area of data integrity, LLM model reliability, also how it is creating responsible development and deployment best practices in the area of AI advanced solutions. What is MCP? Model Context Protocol. So now let us discuss about what is MCP, how it works. Before that, let us try to observe. Nowadays, most of the business, they are trying to adopt AI solutions. With the help of AI solutions, they will try to accelerate their business or business delivery offensive. So let us observe basic operations. Now we are trying to use ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek, the help of different LLM models, bracket LLM models. Now let us ask some questions of the ChatGPT. So listen, if you ask some questions like, so you just list some country names. It will try to refer LLM models and it will give you the data sources, internet data sources, and it will give you the answers. Now let us assign some other task. Now task is like just send some email to so-and-so team, sales team. Now it will give you the message like, I can't send email directly. I need some integration. This is the first point. Next scenario, let us see. Now we are working in a software development environment team. Within that, there is a project manager. Daily, we need to know project status. If it is manual process, daily they need to collect from each and every team, they need to collect the status and they need to collect it. Now they would like to integrate this process with AI. Now he is using Slack. And within their environment, they are having some GitHub, also Jira, also their ticketing and planning and tracking tool is there, or you can say ServiceNow. Now, if you need, he's asking Slack to post the status, daily status of the project status. Now, he's asking some question within the chatbot. Let us imagine. If you ask this question, it requires some tools integration. It will give you the detailed integration, but it won't give you the direct output. So here you can see it. So our teams, they are using like some Jira. They're working with Jira. They're tracking some their user stories and epics, all these things. And similar way, you can see some GitHub issues. Different GitHub issues are there. Also some pull request. And also they are using Slack. Whatever message is their communication tool, they're using messaging platform, they're using Slack. Now this project manager is asking, he needs status within the Slack by integrating all these scenarios. Right? So if you observe this, you see here, we need to integrate all these tools with our LLM model. So also, suppose here you can see GitHub is a very secure one. So we are placing our entire code in the GitHub. There should not be any security violations. Similar with Jira as well. Also, our messaging system also very important. So here we need to integrate all these API very secure manner. Right? So as of now, we are seeing only one scenario. But if you take other scenarios, we may need multiple integrations as well, multiple tools or data sources integrations. Now just see. So in this use case, if you are trying to set up some standardized process, connecting LLMs with or data sources as well as tools, we need standardized process with secure manner. For that, you can use MCP servers. So here, while connecting LLM models with our data sources as well as tools, here we can use our MCP servers, Model Context Protocol. So it's similar to USB-C cable. So if you observe USB-C cable, all the devices will be connected to USB cable and we can standardize, right? Similar way, here also you can see that. Now, Anthropic introduced MCP protocol, Anthropic, and also it's an open source one, open standard. And also, Anthropic is a AISafety and research company. And they are trying to set up responsible development as well as deployment in the area of advanced AI solutions. Also, Anthropic developed Claude chatbot as well. Now, if you need this MCP servers, then you can see before that, just try to observe this comparison. Just now we observed three scenarios. First one, we observed like asking some queries in the chat prompt. That is a simple one. Here, it won't perform any other tasks. It will give you a simple task. It will give you simple your query answers. And second task, we observed like if you are asking some questions, it requires some integrations, right? So it requires some integrations we observed, right? And for that, to streamline this entire process in a secured manner, so we are using MCP server here, right? So example, MCP service offering, MCP context protocol community is there. There you can go to the website, you can refer this as well. I'll show you that as well. So now let's see. These are all different areas you can see. MCP servers different components they're offering: data and file systems, development tools, web and browser, productivity, like a Slack and other tools, and other specification tools also. Apart from that, official integrations also there. These are all things will be managed by different platform companies. Right? And also some other community integrations also there, but not at certified. And these are all things like Docker, Kubernetes still going on, community platform integrations. And next, let us see MCP app stores. Suppose if you are trying to use MCP servers, you can refer this MCP app store. So if you observe here, you can see different sections are there: all apps, servers, clients, as well as utilities. So this is all about our MCP. With the help of MCP, we can ensure data integrity, LLM model reliability. Also, we can set up responsible development, deployment, best practices in the AI advanced solutions. So with the help of this, we can increase transparency and we can build the confidence with our customers. So next class, we are going to discuss about how to integrate these areas, how to integrate MCP, along with using MCP, how to integrate LLM models with different data sources as well as different tools. Please see the documentation below. If you like this video, please share it and see you in the next video.